This cap is amazing. It's going to solve all your closure wig problems. I am so excited to tell you about our new 2-in-1 closure wig cap. I have had so many messages from you telling me your struggles in making your own closure wig. This cap is going to solve all your closure wig problems. First of all, this cap comes with a sewn-in 4x4 lace closure, which means you do not have to worry about how to position your closure. We have already done the work for you. You can customize your parting to anywhere you like, in the middle, sides, or just not have a parting at all. This particular wig cap has got a 3-way parting and the hair type is body wave. One of the key features of this cap is it comes with a natural hairline. Yes, natural hairline. So you don't have to worry about over plucking your hair. So far, you have gotten 3 key features in one cap. You've got a lace closure that's already sewn on your cap, removing the stress for you. You've also got a natural hairline, which saves you so much time from plucking. And you have an option to have a 5x5 closure. This cap is a must-have. This is the same cap in Mongolian curly. As you can see, your created natural hairline looks good even with curly hair. The sides are secured the same as all our normal wig caps. This mesh stretch lace is the best for wig caps. The lace is breathable, allowing air to pass through, which makes a more comfortable wig wearing experience. You know I am all about you being comfortable when you wear your wigs. There's plenty of room for you to sew your weft on. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already done so. Remember, this is the only channel dedicated to lace wigs. This Mongolian curly hair has got a free parting, so you can part it anywhere you want. This is how your wig cap will look inside out. You can see there's enough space to sew in 5x5 closure. Now, this is how your completed wig cap should look like once you've added your weft or your bundles. This cap is so amazing. I wish I had this cap when I started making wigs over 17 years ago. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this 2-in-1 closure wig cap. Can you believe we made this closure wig with only 2 bundles of hair sewn in? It is so full and the curls get bigger and bigger as you run your fingers through it. You can purchase our 2-in-1 wig cap or a ready-made closure wig like this directly on our website. I will leave the link for you in the description box below. Your closure will be sewn on really flat with no bulkiness on the sides. Look how flawless it looks. Watch this playlist I created for you for more tips on closure wigs. I will see you there.